In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in Hubstaff. If you need to update the card connected to your Hubstaff subscription, the process is simple, but there is one important limitation to keep in mind. Hubstaff does not allow you to completely remove the only payment method from an organization that still has an active subscription. So in most cases, what you'll actually be doing is replacing the current card with a new one. To begin, sign into Hubstaff and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on your organization name. This opens the menu where you can access organization level settings, including billing related options. From that menu, select Organizations. This will take you to the area where you can view the organizations connected to your account. If you're part of more than one organization, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct one before you continue. Once you find the organization you want to update, click Actions next to it, and then choose Manage Billing. This opens the billing section for that organization, where your subscription and payment details are managed. On the billing page, click Change Card. This is the option you'll use to replace the current payment method with a different credit or debit card. When the payment form appears, carefully enter your new card details and then click Save. After you save the new information, that card becomes the active payment method for future subscription payments, and it replaces the old one. It's a good idea to double check the information before saving, especially the card number, expiration date, and any required billing details, so you can avoid payment issues later. Once the new card is saved successfully, your organization's future charges will go to that updated card. Now, if your goal is to completely remove a payment method instead of replacing it, there's an important restriction. Hubstaff does not let you remove the only payment method from an organization that has an active subscription. In other words, if the subscription is still active, a payment method must remain on file. So the key thing to remember is this. If you have an active Hubstaff subscription, you can change the card on file, but you can't simply remove the only payment method and leave the account without one. And that's how to remove, or more accurately replace, a payment method in Hubstaff.